Good morning, everybody. Going old school again, shooting a video on my phone. Just wanted to let you guys know that my chickens are molting. That means that they're losing their feathers and more feathers are taking their place. Look at this. Some raggedy looking chickens. Look like something got in there and tore one apart. But it's not. They're just molting. Feathers are everywhere. You guys have a good day. Wish me luck, because the birds aren't laying actually now too when they molt. So you have to feed them a special diet to keep them laying. So we're just going to do without eggs for 6 to 8 weeks. Alright, you guys, have a good day, and I will see you later.